Hello everyone, welcome to the course introduction. We'll start this off with a very basic JavaScript crash course. This crash course is designed for any beginner in JavaScript development so that they can follow along with the course. If, however, you do have prior knowledge with ES6 JavaScript, you can feel free to skip over to the next section where we're going to use JSX and ES6 class components to start building up user interfaces. Then, in the next section, we'll start setting up our application with some very basic CSS, and we'll look at how we can use component state to manage our application's data. You'll do that by learning how to remove posts from our photo wall, and thereby update your application state. And then comes React Router. In that section, we'll look at how we can navigate from one page to another, and as a result, we'll implement adding posts to our photo wall. In the following sections, we'll then implement commenting on new posts. And in the meantime, we'll convert our application to use Redux. In the last section, we'll then persist all of our data and wrap up the entire application. Alright guys, that is the grand scheme of things. I hope you're excited to learn because I am excited to teach. Let's dive in.